Victims of abuse often seek relief from a police station. This is where they are often met with many questions and sometimes even convinced not to press charges. One victim, whose identity is being protected, believes her efforts to protect herself were undermined by the police. She got a protection order against her husband following numerous incidents of domestic violence, only for her husband of 15 years to tell her a piece of paper will never prevent him from continuing the abuse. She says her breaking point was when the husband was driven home by the police after being arrested.
I was really hurt that if the police are doing this and if the police are bringing him home, then it means what I'm doing is not taken serious, and it means my life is not valued. Okay, fine.
The victim has been staying at a woman's shelter and is afraid to go back home. One lawyer advises women to approach the court to get a protection order and a police station to press charges. However, there are barriers to accessing justice due to inefficiencies in the system. The burden of delivering a protection order or delays often result in some victims abandoning the process.
We need to look at what's in law. That's the first thing. And then we go into what's in practice. In law, it's not mandatory that the applicant or the victim goes and points out the respondent. They can assist the police where the respondent is unknown or the whereabouts are not known. Then that's where they can do that. But it is not something that's standard. The police often are the ones that do the service.
Police spokesperson Vish Naidu says victims are not compelled to go with the police to identify the perpetrator, and that every case is treated differently based on merit. Mbalentle Mthethwa, SABC News, Johannesburg.